Hey there, welcome back to If You're Passionate About Motorcycles, Reviews and Everything on Two Wheels. You're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our upcoming reviews and bike content. Let's dive right into today's exciting topic. First off, let's talk about design. Royal Enfield has always been known for its classic, retro-inspired motorcycles, and the Hunter 350 is no different. The bike has a very clean, stripped-down look that brings together old-school charm and modern functionality. The Hunter 350 is designed to be nimble and agile, a sharp contrast to some of the bulkier motorcycles in Royal Enfield's lineup. One of the standout features is its compact frame that makes the bike feel light and responsive. It has a street fighter aesthetic with a bit of a scrambler twist, making it the perfect bike for city commuting or weekend adventures. The overall design is very minimalistic, with sleek lines, a round headlamp, and a neatly tucked-in exhaust. The bike comes with a slightly lower flat handlebar, which gives it a more aggressive riding stance, but still retains the comfort needed for long rides. The 2026 model sees some updates with fresh color options, a revised fuel tank and modern LED lighting. The paint job is a standout too, with bold matte finishes and classic two-tone options. Royal Enfield has always been good at combining vintage aesthetics with modern features, and the Hunter 350 is a testament to that. The Hunter 350 comes with a digital analog instrument cluster, which is a significant upgrade from the older models. The main part of the cluster is an analog speedometer, while the digital screen displays crucial information like fuel level, trip meters, and an odometer. The bike also comes with a USB charging port, which is quite useful if you're someone who likes to keep your devices charged while on the go.